Hi and welcome to One Tiny Story. Today I'm making a kitchen island for the Melissa and Dog dollhouse. The material I use is 2 mm thick screenboard and tacky glue. In the end of this video you will find all the measurements. To make the walls in the cabinet straight, I created this template. These pieces are for the drawers, and it's just going to be a front. The drawers will not be able to open. I decided on a light grey kitchen this time. And now it's time to glue the drawers and also the bottom of the cabinet. The kitchen island will be placed around the brick wall. I have cut a worktop out of screenboard. I will cover the worktop with decorated plastic with a marble pattern, but first I will paint the edges white. And here it is, the kitchen island for the Melissa and Dog dollhouse. And in the same way I have made kitchen drawers for the other side of the kitchen as well. Next time I'm making the oven, the sink and the countertop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. Bye bye!